Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin has seemed to have found a bit of support at $30,000. Is this just temporary support, or could we look at the market turning around? You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we are talking about is $30,000 support for Bitcoin, or could this just be a dead cat bounce before the price heads even lower? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every day we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Just push that like button. Let's try and get to 1,000 likes. Now, today's video, Bitcoin at 10, extreme fear, and granted, of course it's going to be that low as the price has been crashing, but today up about 15% across the entire market. Bitcoin at 33.20, Ethereum at 2078, BNB at 298, XRP at 44 cents, Cardano 57 cents, Solana $50, and Dogecoin at 9 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today to hold to outpace, just holding Bitcoin alone on Gate.io up almost 733%. We have Nest Protocol, Lido Staked Ether, Tron, WireX, and Solana. And if you want to check this out for yourself, add some low caps for higher risk but potentially much higher reward, there is a discount link down in the description. And while you're down there, why don't you act like smart money? Instead of selling Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, just borrow against them. Now with Celsius, you can borrow starting at 0.1% APR. You can hold your cryptocurrency with Celsius, earning up to 17% APY. And right now, for transferring cryptocurrency to Celsius, you could earn up to $5,000 on select cryptos, or up to $2,000 on pretty much every cryptocurrency there. There's a link down in the description. Now, the big news today, I think, is just Terra Luna. It's pretty much over for this coin. The price has gone from about a month ago, highs of $120 down to $0.00005. It crashed. It's pretty much gone. This is the worst chart I've ever seen in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I don't think it can recover from here. I can't predict the future, but I don't think it can recover from here. And I just feel bad for everyone who did invest in Terra Luna. Just remember, it's just one coin. If you take a loss in one coin, there's always tomorrow. You can get it back in something else. So learn from this and then hopefully move on. As a matter of fact, right now, Terra blockchain has officially halted at block 7607789. Terra validators have halted the network to come up with a plan to reconstitute it. More updates to come. So as of right now, yikes, things are not looking good for Terra. But Bitcoin, on the other hand, while the price did crash down to about $26,000, breaking below my red bear line here, it seems to have come back above that, and right now finding support above that red line. Now, a couple things worth noting, because am I unbearish at this moment? Right now, I am in a temporary halt position, seeing what's going on with the market, because when we have significant crashes like this, what can happen is something called a dead cat bounce, where I don't know if you've ever dropped a cat from a roof, like 12 stories high, where it couldn't survive the effects of gravity, but basically when you drop it, it bounces. And that's what they call a dead cat bounce. I've never done that personally, but apparently same thing happens with assets. When you just drop them off, they come down and then they bounce like a dead cat. Now, this could be a dead cat bounce, or could be continuing to go down. Let me show you what I think could potentially happen. I think that we have some very critical levels, because as you can see, the price came down here and then has bounced, but it didn't break above this dotted white line, which has been multi-year support for Bitcoin. Now could potentially be some resistance for Bitcoin. Not only that, hasn't broken above many other levels, it's just above this $30,000 or $28,000 level that a lot of people are holding on to. Now, what could potentially happen? You can see I have this dashed yellow line right here, which is the top back in November, also the top here in April, and it's this downtrend continuing to this bullseye right here. Now, why is that bullseye important? And this could be something crazy. This could be a little bit woo-woo, but May 10th, we had a price crash. You can see that Bitcoin could very easily ride this area right here, and then boom, wind up in that bullseye. Why? Well, if we take a look at this sorcery right here from Marin Altman, okay, said May 10th and October 28th, do what you will. Now, in 2021, Marin called the bottoms in May 16th and July 25th. Let me just show you that. This was May 16th, and this was July 25th. called those bottoms. Now called May 10th, and meanwhile called these back in January. So this has been a long time coming, called May 10th and also calling October. Could it happen? Yes. May it just be a self-fulfilling prophecy? Maybe. Who's to know? But if you look at the levels where Bitcoin has to go to actually rise up, we would need a lot of support, something really big happening in the market to see Bitcoin price going up. Because if we take a look right here at the volume profile, there's a lot of volume right here for Bitcoin to break through before we could actually get back into that support. So something big would have to happen. I'm not saying that it won't happen, but we would just need something big for Bitcoin to change its trend. Right now, it is in a downtrend. Definitely not. Once it broke this solid white line, and particularly this dashed white line, once it broke that, it broke all support for an uptrend that it had. So that being said, I didn't yet say I was going to leave you with a happy ending, but it wouldn't be right to make a video if I didn't leave you with a happy ending. So where's the good charts? Well, if you ever want to get in at the bottom, now would be the time to get in at the bottom, or at least very, very close to the bottom. If we take a look here at the Bitcoin sell-off, comparing it with the COVID pandemic sell-off and then the growth that happened after that, we could potentially see a lot of growth happening with Bitcoin. Not only that, but if we take a look at the %B monthly and also the RSI monthly, we can see that the past times we were where we are right now, that signaled pretty much the bottom. I mean, that was the beginning of the bull run coming. So we may be in the bottom, the beginning of the bull run coming. Not only that, but if we take a look at every time the 2-week Chaikin money flow reaches the negative 0.2 level, a great bull run starts. Previous times it happened right here, right here, right here. So we have a number of indicators suggesting we are towards the bottom. Are we the absolute bottom? Time will tell. There's no way to tell. But good news is, we're still in buy and accumulate territory. So great times to stack your sats, be patient, don't do anything crazy, and just wait. I would say the most important things to keep an eye out for would be look for Bitcoin price, because right now it would have to get above the $32,000 area to really find support again. Otherwise, we are likely to see the price continue back downwards. Those are my thoughts on it, but I just make YouTube videos. So thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, check out Token Metrics, and also check out Celsius for yourself. Links down in the description. I'll catch you later. Love you. Have a good one. Peace.